While it is very possible to calculate descriptive statistics by hand, we also have technology packages to assist in taking the burden of calculation away from us. That leaves interpretation up to us, the individual, but takes away a lot of the error and the time consuming portion of calculating these statistics. Once you're in your homework in MathXL, all you have to do is click on the blue square that typically appears to the right of the data. That allows you to copy the data. Now you may choose to open it in Excel and use Excel if you wish, but I'm going to show you how to use StatCrunch. Open in StatCrunch, and it will load in automatically for you. Notice all of the data points appear right in the program and they transfer automatically. Once in the program, we can click the Stat button and ask it to find the summary statistics for us. Now our data is placed in columns, so we'll choose the columns option. And from here, all you have to do is select the variables or the columns you want to find the summary statistics for. We only have one column, so it's an easy choice, so I'll go ahead and choose that column. There is a list of statistics if you'd like to look through what it's planning on calculating for you, and you can ask it for different values as you see fit, but we're going to go ahead and leave all the default options alone and just hit compute. Now we have a list of the mean, the variance, the standard deviation, the median, the range, the min, the max, and the quartiles calculated for us. You will notice by default, though, one of the statistics is missing. The mode, another commonly asked for statistic, is not present. Let's go back to our summary statistics. And you notice that from the list, it is not highlighted. You can go ahead and add it to the list, but notice that does knock off all the other ones. So in order to select multiple statistics, you do want to hold down your shift key. Maybe I'll ask it for the n, the mean, the variance, the standard deviation, the median, the range, the minimum, and go all the way down to the mode. You have the option of selecting the mode in StatCrunch, or you have this option of asking or just finding the mode on your own. That is up to you, and many people find that the mode is not something that's difficult to solve for by hand. Notice in this case there is no mode, there is no repeated data set. The other summary statistic that this will not find for you, and it's not even an option to add, is the mid-range. The mid-range by definition involves adding the largest and smallest data points and dividing by 2. If you look at my summary statistics, I can find the minimum and the maximum very easily. They're given to us right here. So I just have to take a calculator up, add them up, and divide by 2. 23.8 in this case. A very small computation to have to do when you look at the possibility of having to find all of these by hand. It's well worth the minor computation. That will take away a large amount of time for you, but also help you out in accuracy. The computer is very, very good at calculating these statistics. Let it help you out.